Alright, YouTube, the car has now sold. I sold it. I also improved that little panel that needed improving. I added some clear coat to it, and then I buffed it, and it came out shiny like how it's meant to us. I'm gonna insert a clip right now. Right, that's how it's looking now, guys. It's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Now I'm about to do the rear bumper now. Yeah. That clear coat made a difference. A big difference. And apart from that, man, I sold the car and it's gone on to the next one. You get me? A lady come to, I have so many people interested in it. I've probably said over 20 messages, bro, over 20. And most of them just people just wasting your time. But this lady was genuine. She turned up. She messaged me today and she came today. She left a deposit. And she's already sent me the full, she just sent me the rest of the money now. And she's on her way to my yard to go. I'll give her the key and that. And yeah, man, the car is sold, innit? So on to the next. And more news on the VXR. As I've already said, I rang them up again and they said the things haven't arrived. Mind, this fat spot on my in it is flipping irritating me. But yeah, I want the VXR back soon, innit? But on to the next car, guys. What car do you think I should get next? I don't know. We'll see, innit? We'll look for one together and I'll post a video and see what you lot comment, what you think I should get. But yeah, gotta go now, bless. Guys, the car's gone. See them brake lights right now and that. I'm gonna fix the thing. And it's gone. Bye. Come on. Keep it for life. Let's start making some stuff again. Alright guys, the car has gone now. It's on to the next one. Car number 3 has gone in the space of like non-time. I sold 3 cars. Like, I'm keep going next time. Bank up even more and maybe try and get 2 cars, and if I gotta declare it, then I'm gonna declare myself as a whatever sole trader. So yeah, man.